Hello guys, welcome to back my channel. So this is very hot nowadays. The sun is shining brightly. We can't do any work. We can't tolerate this heat. I can't stay at home by day. So I am unable to shoot videos regularly. By day I can't shoot videos because I can't tolerate this heat. This is too much hot nowadays. Sun is shining brightly. We can't see out of the room and we can't stay even in the room. Now you can see sweat is dropping from my body, from my face, as you can see. So that's why I can't shoot videos and I can't upload videos regularly. Okay, so no problem. I will try to shoot videos and I will upload the video on YouTube and Facebook. And like this, I told you that sometimes I will come in front of camera and I will speak in English. Okay, because I come in front of camera to practice my English speaking. Doesn't matter, it will take time to progress in life. It does not matter how much time it will take, but I will try to become success in my life. Okay, so it doesn't matter how much it will take time. And there may be something mistakes. It is also no matter because progress takes time. And mistaking is a part of learning. We know this. No problem. And if I go to visit many places, so then I will shoot blog types of video. I will try to shoot, and then by adding small videos, I will make a long videos for 10 minutes, and that video I will upload on YouTube. That where I have done and what was I have done there going. Okay, and how the video will be. So please comment on my videos, okay, and where I make mistakes. So please say me, and then I will try to do correct next time. Okay. So now I will talk for 5 minutes because I am in the room, in my bedroom, and I shoot this video right now. Okay, I have to go out. I can't tolerate what in this room because this room is hotter. I want to go on the roof because this time I go on the roof to spend some times. Okay, and I will take some rest going on the roof. So happy learning and keep on watching my videos. Thanks for watching.